Sonske ja Lauttasaarentie Port 2 in Helsinki. D962-8010511. Fifth floor. Three persons, so 240 kilograms. Inspected by QI inspected, maintained by Kone, and front of clearly relative. And elevator from Finland rear. Go to the next right. Ground floor.
I will join you.
Yeah.
It was built in 1962 still with this mechanical floor indicator, so it might be early 1962.
Yeah.
Turning 60 years old in 2022, the serial number is 10511 with 5 floors.
Yeah.
It's Swedish finish out inside also. And even on the replaced metal plate outside,
Yeah.
it's in both languages, just as it should be.
Yeah.
It's going to be inspected this year, 2020. Amazing find.
Yeah.
Oh no, I need to do a new video.
Yeah.
But it's fine, that's fine. I'll do a new one. Because you can write it after.
Yeah.
So I get the floor indicator after you do it.
Yeah.
If you want, I can also write now.
Yeah.
And you can get the floor indicator. What was that building's number, by the way?
Lauttasaarentie Port 2.
42.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, the second attempt. Today is the 25th of September 2020. Here is Lauttasaarentie at Rumsövägen 42. In Lauttasaari, Helsinki is 49. 30 degree original. 70 metal plate was changed, but still in both languages. Finish. Let's try this elevator. It's still completely original today. It's built in 1962.
That's